So many people around there, they are asking themselves, how can I start trading crypto? How can I earn money in crypto? So today's video, I want to show you how you can start trading as a beginner, serious beginner, right from the start. So just stick with me until the very end. So if you haven't liked this video, like and comment on this very video. I will answer all the questions that you will ask me. The first thing that you need an exchanger. An exchanger, we have so many exchangers. We have Bybit, we have Binance, we have Bitget, we have Coinbase, and so many others. For you to get a good exchanger, these are the good qualities of a good exchanger. First of all, it should have a high trading volumes. Like this one, you see, like this one, it has a good trading volume. First of all, you should view the news. Like here, you can view the news from here, like notification like this. So you should be able to view the trading history like this one. You can see that the trading history here and even here, this is your trading history depending on how you have selected. So that's how you could get a good exchanger. So if you don't have any exchanger, that's where you're going to trade from. These are the qualified exchanger that currently are on the market. There is Binance, Bitget, Bybit, Coinbase. So all these links are down there, and you can still earn up to 7,210 if you open any account from these ones. Just go in my description below and you'll find all these links. So secondly, you're going to get a good stable coins. These stable coins, they help us that our money won't move up and down like in inflation time. So when Bitcoin is moving or crypto is moving up and down, you have to look for a stable coin where your money will be stable at the end. So we have, in most cases, stable coins. We have USDT, you have USDC, you have USD. So these are the good coins where you're going to put your money and it will be stable. And we have even Euro. These are the stable coins. So before you start trading, you have to get these stable coins and you understand them, you analyze. But most especially, we normally use USDT as experienced traders. After that one, then you're going to look for good coins, because in good coins, this is where you're going to put your money and it will work for sure. There is BTC, there is Ethereum, there is XRP, and so many much more. So you have to learn about coins. Which coins are you going to invest in your money? So after getting that coin that exactly you want to invest your money, so thirdly, you're going to look for how these candles are moving. More especially with candles, we have bearish candles and we have bullish candles. So with bullish candles, we have pin bar, engulfing, tweezers bottom, morning doji star or morning star. So we have so many candles that you have to learn before you start trading. These ones, I'm just giving you the hints how you can start as a trader, but we have a lot of coins. All of these ones, they are candles one by one. So if you want to trade, you have to learn one by one. And actually, this one is a full course on how you can start trading. So I'll give you this guideline so that when you're going to start trading, you're going to see where you're going to start and where you're going to get experienced. So in bearish candles, we have shooting star, black cloud cover, bearish engulfing, and so many others and so many others. So after understanding exactly how these candles are moving, and like when this candle, this one is a hammer. So once this one hammer, this indicates that we are going to be bullish. So once you understand how bullish and bearish move, because in crypto we move with buying and selling. So if you know how buying and selling moves, because all the market moves with those two things, buying and selling. Once you understand how candles are moving, so you're going to start understanding indicators. Indicators, there are so many, but there is those ones which are more accurate or which are very viral. We have like Bollinger Bands, we have moving average. These are the moving average, so you can see. So you can put even Bollinger Bands. So we have so many indicators. All these ones, as you're seeing, all these ones are indicators that you have to understand and exactly how they are moving. So once you understand how indicators are moving, then you're going to learn how you're depositing and withdrawing, because you have to understand, and even that exchange that you have selected, make sure that it has a withdraw button and a deposit button. So like this one, Bybit has a deposit and withdraw. So with deposit on Bybit, majorly there is so many ways how you can deposit. This one is from crypto to crypto, or from one exchange to another. This one, it is when you want cash, real cash. When you use pay to pay, you give someone or a third party company, you give them crypto and they give you cash, and the vice versa. If you need cash, then you give them crypto. If you need crypto, you give them cash. So we have one click buying. This one majorly works with banks and Visa cards. So if you have your money on Visa card, MasterCard, and you want to buy crypto, this is where you're going to go. This is how you're going to get money. If your money is in a, like bank transfer, and that bank is worldwide, might be Bybit uses it. So this is where you're going to go in one click buying, and you get your crypto on asset. So once hope you have your crypto already on your account, you make sure that now you start real trading. So if you haven't liked on this video, please like and comment on this very video. If you have any question, just ask in the comment below, and I'll answer all your questions. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get all the videos that I post, because in most cases I post every day. So don't miss those videos, because they are very important as a trader. Before you start trading, you have to understand there is here the charts. There is standard, trading view, there is depth. Standard, this is where our market moves. In most cases, this standard moves exactly the same. Then there is trading view. This trading view, it has a lot of indicators, but in standards you will not find any indicator, because these ones are standard. All the indicators are there. But if you need other indicators, then you are going to use trading view. As a beginner, you have to use trading view because you have analyzed the indicators that you're going to use. So you have to choose for a good indicator, because standard won't give you many indicators. Depth means how the market is moving. So you can see that this one means bullish and this one means bearish. So you can see that they are almost the same. They are trying, this one taking and the other one taking. So when this one is up, that means that this one is trying to take the bearers. So they are almost 50-50, taking the other side. So that's how the depth means. So after understanding all these charts or buttons, then you are going to do what we call spot or accounts, where you're going to trade from. We have so many accounts that we can trade from. First of all, we have all these where there is trade button. All these ones are trading accounts. So we have spot trading, margin trading, leverage trading, trading bot, launch pod, and so many and so forth. And even there is by votes. So, but as a beginner, you're going to use spot, because with margin trading, this one gives a lot of money, of course, but it is very, very risky. So if you're just as a beginner, don't use margin, don't use leverage tokens. So just go for spot trading, but you can still learn with them with time, and you learn how you can use them. So let's go for spot trading, and it's where we are right now. So under spot trading, you're going to find buy and sell. So there you can margin, but this one is for experienced traders. As a beginner, please use spot. So when you gain experience, then you will understand how you can use margin and the spot. What is the difference? But in simple terms, with spot, it gives you like 1%. But now, like in margin, when the percentage moves like 1%, this means that it will multiply itself by 5 or by 10, depending on how you have set your margin. So with that said, So here on trading, we have limit and market, and like on Binance here, you will find that here on spot you have limit, you have market, you have stop limit, you have trailing stop loss, OC. So if you don't know how all of these videos they are working, I have every button here, I have a video like limit, I have a video, market, what is the difference. Just go in this very channel and you look for those videos, they are there and you watch them. So once you've got the meaning of these ones, but as a beginner, please use limit and market. So let's start with the limit. With the limit, this is the amount, the available amount. This is the order price. This is the quantity or the amount that you want to use as BTC. So what does this one mean? With the limit, they will give you the order and the order price and the quantity. But with market, they won't give you. With the market, you buy at the exact amount where there is the price currently, with the current price in simple terms. So once you are on the market, you just go and say that I want my B to sell, maybe to buy 25% or 27, maybe 50 or 100%. So once you've got your 100% and once you click buy, then this market will go exactly on the current price and buy that BTC. But with the limit, they will give you an option. So this order price, you will say that maybe right now our market is on 28.12. So I can say that, you know, the market I expect it to go down. So for me, I will buy at exactly 19,000. 19,000 point, maybe 78. So I say that this is the percentage that I want to buy. Or you can put the amount exactly here. You can put the amount that you want to use. Maybe you can say I want to use maybe 1 BTC depending on how you use, and you don't want to use this percentage. So you can select depending on this percentage. And once you click buy, so it will be here on the current orders before it is filled. Because it is not yet filled and the market is still up. So you wait until once it reaches on that price that you have selected, then it will buy itself. So with other things like stop limit, trailing stop and OC, as a beginner, you don't need them currently. You just wait, and if you need how they work, just go in this very channel and you look for these videos. So like trailing stop, this one works like this. So once you buy from maybe on 19, it will give you a stop loss that in case this percentage moves, now you've bought on 19, but once it goes up like this, if it reaches like on 20% and it goes down 5%, then it sells itself. That is the good thing with trailing stop. But as a beginner, please use limit and market, because this one, they will help you majorly on spot. So hope you have understood that one. So as a beginner, before you buy any coin, please first follow the news, because the news, they change the market frequently. Before you do anything, please understand how you're going to get news. And if you need my news, please go in on my Twitter. You'll find Sima Legacy. That is the name that I use on Twitter. I always post the current news on different coins. So just follow my channel and you'll find all those things. Another thing that you have to understand, how the market is going. So you have to understand how the monetary policy, the economic events, the market news, and specific news majorly. In specific news, I mean specific news might be on BTC, USDT. So it means that there is specific news on a specific coin. That means that specifically that coin will move to upside market. So the last thing that you have to follow, there is support and resistance. In support and resistance, this is where the market moves majorly. So if you don't know how to use support and resistance, just go in this very channel and you look for that video. It is there. Support and resistance, like might be here. You can see that from here, you can see that the market is trying to force itself however much, but it does not go beyond this line. So this is the support of this all the market, and this is the resistance where you are seeing that the market doesn't go beyond. It has tried several times, but it has failed to go beyond this one. So this one is a resistance, and this one is a support. So if you don't know, because this one, it is where the market moves slowly but sure. So that's all what you need as a beginner for you to start trading. Hope you have understood everything, and if you haven't understood, please like and comment on this very video. I will answer all your questions. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Let's work together and get this crypto money. Invest in yourself to the point that it makes someone else want to invest in you. Learn how to trade. Invest in yourself. You will get money, and also other people will invest in you. Good luck for today. Bye.